Welcome back to our Team Teach. Sorry, we were interrupted by Zoom. Zoom cut us off, and we're going to continue where we left off. Thank you for bearing with us.
So Jasmine, what are the ratios of the triangles?
Thank you, Claudia. We know that in order for two triangles to be similar, the correspondent angles have to be congruent and the lengths of the correspondent sides also have to be equal. We already determined that triangle CED is congruent to triangle CAB. These two triangles are similar because angle C is congruent to itself. We have angle E congruent to angle A, and angle D is congruent to angle B. Since the triangles are similar, the ratios are as follows. Segment CE is congruent to CA. Segment CD is congruent to CB. And segment ED is congruent to AB. Now CC, in this picture, how many triangles are there?
Well, that's a great question, Jasmine. In fact, there are two triangles that are very similar. They're in fact similar triangles that have corresponding angles inside. In this case, Jenny is holding a ruler up. If you pay close attention, she creates a small triangle like this. The similar triangle is just a different size, making it bigger like this one. That's how we know that we have two similar triangles that are just different sizes.
Can you tell me if sides B and F are congruent to each other?
Well, of course, indeed, side B and side F are congruent to each other, meaning that both sides are identical on the same corresponding sides as well. Although the yellow triangle is smaller, it still has the same congruent side as the blue triangle, even though the blue triangle is much bigger. Thanks for asking, Jessica.
Thank you, Cece. And that concludes our Team Teach. Thank you for joining us. Have a good night.